You're listening to an African Elements top news story for April 11th, 2025. Please visit our website at africanelements.org for more daily news. Fulani Makkan Kalin Amuru, Unveiling Genetic Roots. The story of the Fulani people is woven deep into the fabric of African history. As one of the largest pastoral groups on the continent, their journey across vast lands is fascinating. Numbering around 40 million, their genetic heritage tells a compelling story. It speaks of ancient migrations, interactions across diverse regions, and enduring cultural practices. Understanding their origins helps us piece together the larger puzzle of human history in Africa. Furthermore, it highlights the rich diversity that exists within the continent. Recent genetic studies are shedding new light on the Fulani's complex past. Researchers are digging into their DNA to uncover links stretching back thousands of years. These findings connect modern Fulani to early herders who thrived during a time when the Sahara was green. They also reveal connections to North African groups alongside West, Central, and East African populations. Consequently, this research paints a picture of dynamic movement and mixing across Africa, shaping the Fulani identity we see today. The genetic history of the Fulani people reaches far back, connecting them to some of Africa's earliest pastoralists. Research points to a shared ancestry with groups who lived during the Green Sahara period. This era saw the Sahara transform into a humid savanna teeming with life. This lush environment supported human settlement and the development of pastoralism. Evidence from places like the Takarkori rock shelter confirms this vibrant past. DNA from individuals buried there around 7,000 years ago shows pastoral communities thrived. The Fulani share ancestral components with these ancient groups, suggesting deep roots in African pastoral traditions. The Green Sahara eventually ended as the climate shifted back towards arid conditions. Beyond these ancient connections, Fulani genetics also reveal significant links to North African populations. This North African genetic signature mixes with substantial ancestry from other African regions. The Fulani genetic makeup reflects interactions across vast geographical areas. It shows a blend of ancestries resulting from migrations and mixing events over millennia. The vast geographical spread of the Fulani across the Sahel has led to distinct regional differences. Studies reveal a gradual change in genetic traits moving from west to east. This pattern reflects centuries of interaction with neighboring communities. Nomadic pastoralism has been central to their identity and survival. This mobility facilitated gene flow and cultural exchange across huge distances. Their history is one of constant movement, adaptation, and interaction. Despite their large population size, the Fulani have been historically underrepresented in genomic studies. This gap is partly due to their traditionally nomadic lifestyle. Constant movement across vast territories leaves fewer archaeological traces. A groundbreaking new study aims to change this narrative. Researchers analyzed genetic data from Fulani individuals across 7 countries. This comprehensive approach helps fill a significant void in our knowledge. Fulani identity is deeply intertwined with their cultural practices and social codes. One core element is pulaku, an ethical code emphasizing values like dignity and respect. Cultural identity aligns with observed genetic and geographic patterns. Variations in subsistence strategies correlate with genetic differences. This connection highlights the dynamic nature of Fulani history. Their pastoral traditions facilitated movement and interactions with diverse groups. Mobility linked to trans-Saharan trade networks shaped their genetic landscape. The result is a population characterized by shared cultural elements and regional genetic variation. The genetic journey of the Fulani people is a powerful testament to Africa's rich history. Recent studies reveal deep connections stretching back to the Green Sahara era. Their genetic makeup tells a story of migration, interaction, and adaptation. Highlighting the Fulani story is crucial, given their historical underrepresentation in research. Filling these gaps helps us appreciate the full scope of African genetic diversity. It reminds us that the story of Africa is written in the DNA of its people. Understanding the interplay between genetics, culture, and geography enriches our knowledge. Their history is an integral part of the broader African narrative. Copyright African Elements.